Lesson 2. Behind, in front of. Hello friends. Now we will learn how to recognize behind and in front of. While playing games, while sit in classroom and watching television, then our face is towards at front, and at the back side we call behind. Now we are learning our front side and behind. Look at this picture. Where you see in it, one red color curtain is there. Near that curtain, one boy wear yellow shirt and another wear green shirt. Now see, yellow shirt boy's back side is green shirt boy's face. Means that boy is behind of curtain and yellow shirt boy is front of the curtain. Similarly, the girl in frock which is on swing is ahead and girl in pant shirt is behind. Look at this picture and tell me which girl is standing ahead means front. Correct. This girl is stand front. And behind that cricket stump, who is there? Correct. That girl is behind. Similarly, the school bus is ahead and car is behind. In the classroom, blackboard is at front side and calendar is at behind. So students, today we learned that which things are in front of and which things at behind. Now please learn more from your teacher and parents.